So the halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. In that case, now we have to consider the classification of monohalogen compounds. In the last period, we learned about the classification of these halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons on the basis of there are two different ways by which we can classify these halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, and we are getting a different types of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. Now next we have to consider the classification of monohalogen compounds. Now we can classify these monohalogen compounds on the basis that the halogen, what is the position of the halogen atom in the hydrocarbon or in the carbon-carbon linkage, and what is the hybridization of the carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached. On that basis we are doing the classification of monohalogen compounds. As you know that which are called the monohalogen compounds, the halogen compounds or the halogen derivatives which contains only single halogen atom, only one halogen atom, are called the monohalogen compounds. Now when we are considering the classification of these monohalogen compounds, in that case we are doing the classification on the basis of the position of the halogen atom which is linked to the hydrocarbon or the carbon-carbon linkage, and second one, what is the hybridization of the carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached. On that basis we are doing the classification of this monohalogen compound. So on that basis, the first type that we are getting, these are called the haloalkanes, or these are also called the alkyl halides. Now which are called the haloalkanes or the alkyl halides? Now in that case, the one halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybrid carbon atom. So in that case, the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybrid carbon atom which is the part of the parent hydrocarbon. For example, the CH3 CH2X, this is the example of alkyl halide. Now in that case, the halogen atom is attached to that carbon atom and the hybridization of that carbon atom is sp3. So in alkyl halides, the halogen atom is always attached to the sp3 hybrid carbon atom of the saturated carbon chain. So these are called the haloalkanes or alkyl halides. We'll take another example in which it is attached to the halogen atom which is attached to the sp3 hybrid carbon atom CH3 CH3X. So in that case, it is also the sp3 hybrid carbon atom, and to this sp3 hybrid carbon atom the halogen atom is attached. So the hybridization of this carbon atom is sp3 hybrid, and to this carbon atom halogen atom is attached, and therefore it is also called the haloalkane or that of the alkyl halide. Now when we consider haloalkanes or alkyl halides, there may be a primary haloalkanes or primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, and that of the tertiary alkyl halides. Now how we can classify these haloalkanes or alkyl halides, primary, secondary or tertiary? So if the halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom of the carbon-carbon chain, then it is called the primary alkyl halide. If the halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon atom of the carbon-carbon chain, then it is called the secondary alkyl halide. And if the halogen atom is attached to the tertiary carbon atom of the carbon-carbon chain, then it is called the tertiary alkyl halide. For example, if we consider the primary alkyl halide, the example of primary alkyl halide is CH3CH2X. Now why this is called a primary alkyl halide? Because the halogen atom is attached to this carbon atom, and this carbon atom is a primary carbon atom. Now how we can decide this is the primary carbon atom? Now this is called a primary carbon atom because it is attached to only one carbon atom, and such type of carbon atoms are called the primary carbon atom. So if any carbon atom is attached to only one carbon atom, then it is called a primary carbon atom, and to this primary carbon atom the halogen atom is attached, and therefore the name of this alkyl halide is called the primary alkyl halide. Now the second one, secondary alkyl halides, which are called the secondary alkyl halides. So if the halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon atom, then such type of compounds are called the secondary alkyl halides. For example, CH3, CH, CH3, X. Now in this example, the halogen atom is attached to the central carbon atom, and if we find out this is the secondary carbon atom, this one is the secondary carbon atom. Why this is called a secondary carbon atom? Because this carbon atom is attached to another two carbon atoms, and therefore this is the secondary carbon atom. And now if this to this secondary carbon atom, if halogen atom is attached, then this is called the secondary alkyl halide. Now the third type that we have to consider, that is the tertiary alkyl halides. The example is CH3C, CH3, CH3X. Now in that case, the halogen atom is attached to this carbon atom, and if we found out the order of this carbon atom, it is the tertiary carbon atom. Why it is tertiary? Because it is attached to three more another carbon atoms, and therefore it is the tertiary carbon atom. And to this tertiary carbon atom, halogen atom is attached, and therefore it is called a tertiary alkyl halides. So these haloalkanes are further classified into the primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, and that of the tertiary alkyl halides. What is the basis? The basis is that the halogen atom is attached to the which type of carbon atom. On that basis we are doing this classification. If the halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom, then it is called the primary alkyl halide. If it is attached, if the halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon atom, then these are called the secondary alkyl halides. And if the halogen atom is attached to the tertiary carbon atom, then these are called the tertiary alkyl halides. So this is the first type, that is the haloalkane or that of the alkyl halides. Next we have to consider, next type that we have to consider is allylic halides. Second type, allylic halides. Which are called the allylic halides? These are also the monohalogen compounds, as you know that. Now which are called the allylic halides. In allylic halides, the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 carbon atom of a sp3 carbon atom which is attached to the carbon-carbon double bond or next to the carbon-carbon double bond. For example, CH2 double bond CH, CH2X. Now in that case, the halogen atom is attached to that carbon atom which is having a hybridization sp3, but this carbon atom is attached to the or it is next to the carbon-carbon double bond, and therefore if such type of position is present, then such type of compounds or such type of monohalogen compounds are called the allylic halides. These are called the allylic halides. So in allylic halides also the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 carbon atom, but this carbon atom is attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom, and such type of compounds are called the allylic halides. The another type that we have to consider is the benzylic halides, which are called the benzylic halides. Now in benzylic halides, the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybrid carbon atom which is further attached to the benzene ring or the aromatic ring. Such type of compounds forms are called the benzylic halides. For example, if we are considering this is the benzene ring, and to this benzene ring CH2 group is attached, and to this CH2 group if halogen atom is attached, then such type of compounds are called the benzylic halides. In that case, the hybridization of this carbon atom is sp3. To this sp3 carbon atom, halogen atom is attached, but this carbon atom is attached to the benzene ring or the aromatic ring. Such type of compounds are called the benzylic halides. Fourth type, which are called the vinylic halides. Which are called the vinylic halides. If the halogen atom is attached to the sp2 hybrid carbon atom, then such type of compounds are called the vinylic halides. For example, CH2 double bond CHX. Now in that case, the halogen atom is directly attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom having a hybridization sp2. The hybridization is sp2, and if the halogen atom is attached to the sp2 hybrid carbon atom, then such type of compounds are called the vinylic halides. These are called the vinylic halides. So fifth type, that is called aryl halides, or these are also called the haloarenes. Now aryl halides or haloarenes, which are called the aryl halides or haloarenes, if the halogen atom is attached to the sp2 hybrid carbon atom of the aromatic ring, then such type of compounds are called the aryl halides. For example, in this example, the halogen atom is directly attached to the carbon atom which is the part of this benzene ring or the aromatic ring. And as you know that when we consider the aromatic ring or benzene ring, there are 6 carbon atoms, and all the 6 carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized, and if such type of sp2 hybridized carbon atom are attached to the halogen atom of the benzene ring, then such type of compounds are called the aryl halides or that of the haloarenes. So in haloarenes, the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the aromatic ring. So that is the classification of the monohalogen compounds. So monohalogen compounds we can classify on the basis of the position of the halogen atom and what is the hybridization of carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached. From that we are getting the 5 types, that is the haloalkanes, allylic halides, benzylic halides, vinylic halides, and that of the aryl halides. In the haloalkanes, the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybrid carbon atom, and this is further divided into the 3 types on the basis which type halogen atom is attached to the which type of carbon atom, whether it is primary, secondary, or that of the tertiary. Second one is the allylic halides. In the allylic halide, the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybrid carbon atom, but this carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom, is attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. Then third one, benzylic halides. In the benzylic halides, halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybrid or hybrid carbon atom, but it is attached to the benzene ring. Fourth one, vinylic halides. In the vinylic halides, halogen atom is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and directly halogen atom is attached directly to the doubly bonded carbon atom. And fifth one is the aryl halides. In that case also the halogen atom is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom which is a part of the aromatic ring.